This space honestly wasn't used. It really was just a concrete traditional quad in a school, and it was rare to see classes out here. Now, from 7:30 in the morning till 8 o'clock at night, in summer months, this place is packed. The reason we installed this shade was to just bring life into this area of the school. We wanted it to be a hype of activity. The reason we chose shade systems is because when we initially seeked people out, they were just so proactive. Everything was spelled out really clearly around contracts and pricing and how we go about it. We went from a concrete strip here with nothing to a roof, turf within a week. It was so easy working with shade systems. In terms of the design, there were different aspects that fit into what we could spend. Whether we had our poles galvanised and coated or the shape of the roof, all sorts of different things, and they brought those plans to us. Yeah, we're so happy. In terms of money well spent, we know how expensive buildings can be and gymnasiums, etc. What we've got bang for your buck for this and what it's done to this area is the best money you can spend, I think. I couldn't recommend Shade Systems enough. They've been amazing to work with, awesome product, and we've passed on their name to many other schools already in the Wellington region. We're absolutely stoked and looking for the next one to put up, I think.